Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the light bulb's lifespan, we would suggest never touching its glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back on. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Remove the 3 outer lamp fixing screws using a Torx T30 spanner. Close the car trunk. The light is held in place by plastic studs, encased directly into the car body. With your hands, pull delicately on the light to remove it. To replace the indicator light bulbs, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise, holding the grey cap, then remove the whole thing. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Perform the reverse operation for reassembly. To replace the stop and position light bulbs, perform the same operation as for the indicator bulb. Put the light back in. Screw the 3 screws, holding the headlight back in place. To replace the reversing light and fog light bulbs, remove the 2 outer light fixing screws using a Torx 27 key. With your hands, pull carefully on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. Give the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise while gripping the base of the bulb. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. To reassemble, do the same operation but the other way round. Put the light back in. Screw the 2 holding screws back. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.